Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here, you the boy. Come here, Marcus. You need to get my slippers. Come here, Marcus. Come here, you the boy. Come here, you the boy. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come here, you the boy. Where, Marcus? What's your sister doing? She's watching TV. Come here, little boy. Come here. Marcus, come here. Come on. Come on. Come on. You tired? Oh, a little bit more? Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah, baby. Now you're moving. Now you're moving. Come here. Mama? Mama? Oh, what did you find? What did you find, Marcus? Sneak attack. How big is Marcus?